Hello students, welcome to my channel Computer Information Satyajit. Today we discuss how to create an identity card in MS Word. Let's now you see this is the identity card. Now we create a business or student iCard. Okay. Let's now start on MS Word 2010. Then click on maximize option. Now we insert a shape. पहले just we take a shape option, then go to the format option. जब भी हम शेप का ऊपर क्लिक करेंगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली एक इंसर्ट मेनू आ जाएगा। तो अभी वो जो साइज है, साइज को जस्ट हाइट एंड विड्थ को हमको चेंज करना है। हाइट 4.5 and width 3.5. Okay, in right side, the menu bar right side, we can find the height and width. Then go to the insert option. First we take another shape and change the color. Go to the shape color and no outline. Okay, then right click, edit point. This is the edit point. Okay, edit first point, second point. Now we just click on this point and drop down the mouse arrow. Okay, then this is the just change our shape and click on another shape, take a shape, then click on mouse button, then drag the down position, and now we click on send to back option. Okay, send to back option in format menu and change the color. Then right click over this shape and go to edit point. This is the edit point. Now just we can change our shape. माउस को नीचे लाना है. ओके, देन एडजस्ट कीजिए एंड take another shape and click, change the color, then right click, send to backward option, otherwise edit point and send to backward option. Again we click, then change the edit point. Okay, just we setting our shape design. Okay, थोड़ा सा नीचे. Okay, now we just take a circle shape and go to the outline option, no outline, then click on shape fill and click on picture option. Now I just select my photo. Okay, now we go to insert menu and create a word art option. Here we write my name. Okay, then select, go to the home menu, decrease the font size and click on format option. Then go to the text field, we can give the white color and outline also give the white color, both are white color. Then after that we go to the insert menu and take again the text box. Here we write our data, means ID number, give an ID number, then department DPT, then click on tab menu, means tab button, then we write account, department name, next we write email ID, email ID, email ID, here we write an email ID. जब भी हम ईमेल आईडी लिखेंगे वो एक हाइपरलिंक ऑप्शन आ जाएगा ऑटोमेटिकली। एंटर करने के बाद नाउ वी क्लिक ऑन एंटर ऑप्शन। ओके, ऑटोमेटिकली एक हाइपरलिंक आ जाएगा। देन हियर वी राइट द कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर और फोन नंबर। Then give a contact number, any number. Then select, go to the home menu, click on bold option and increase the font size and setting the shape option. Okay, now we select this data. Here just we select this data and go to the home menu and decrease the line option, line spacing. Okay, this is the line spacing. Previous class we discussed about this vividly. Then take another format option. Here we write my address at name at and pin number. Then select the data, go to the home menu and font style, means we use the code format. Okay, this is the code, barcode, and go to the format option and click on outline, shape outline. देन नीचे में हम हमारा जो कंपनी नेम है वो कंपनी का नाम हम लिखेंगे. जस्ट वी go to the insert menu and take a word art option. Suppose this is the word art option and click any shape, and here we write my tech info. Okay, and click this shape and go to the home menu, decrease the font size, then click and drag the down option. Drag means moving one place to another place. Click the left mouse button, then drag one place to another place, that is called moving or dragging. Moving one place to another place, that is called dragging. Okay, this is the shape. Okay, this is the complete iCard design in MS Word. प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड लाइक कीजिए.